Last couple cuts in this sequence. There's a few moments in this cut that I like. It's a little bit unique. Maybe it's not a perfect false cut, but there are moments that I really like. So you're going to cut about half the deck and cut it down. Swing cut, biddle grip, all that fun stuff. Get down into mechanics. This next packet you're going to split up into thirds eventually. So pull off a third. You're going to put it down here and you're going to kind of clip it. Keep some pinky down there just to make sure you keep this packet separate. Then you're going to break off this packet in two again. Okay, so we've got our fingers here. Got ring, middle, index. And then what you're going to do is pick up, free the ring finger, and pick up that little packet. Okay? So if this is, we name these 1, 2, and 3 as they go down. 1 goes down, 2 and 3, picking up 1 on the bottom. Then what you're going to do is slide out packet 3 down here about a ½ inch forward onto the pack. So we're still keeping a break there, but it's just setting it down and leaving that gap. Then what's cool is you just need to set 2 and 1 back on top. What I like to do is try to make this look super sloppy and natural and just toss them on top. So right now we just need to make one good cut. If you're not good with the charliers, you can just put this down onto a table or whatever, execute that cut to get it back in order. Or if you want to execute a charlier, okay, all the better. So we'll go over this one more time slowly. Swing cut half the deck down into the hand, break off a third, put it down, break this other packet in half, pick up the bottom, and then you're just basically switching out those packets, and then just putting this one again, ½ inch off, tossing these down real loose, real whatever. And to execute the charlier, because you have that break, you need to pick up there, which is really actually quite easy with the charlier if you just push that forward. My charliers end up happening with just my index finger some of the time, which maybe that's you too. So you can pick that up and do the cut, or you just execute the charlier from there. And there you're back into the original order. So that's the sequence. I hope you guys enjoy learning it. I hope you put it into practice and that it benefits you in your routines. Alright, take care.